name's Dina Traina, and I'm the president of AAUW, which is the American Association of University Women. This year, we are at the conclusion of our science camp, which has been running since the beginning of January. This is our 7th session, and we're focusing on engineering today. Today we're actually building a bridge, trying to give them an idea of what engineers do in real life and the complexities associated with it. So they have straws and connectors, and they're trying to design a bridge and figure out how to support a bag of pennies across a 3-foot open span. What they've found over the years, AAUW has been doing a lot of national studies on women in the STEM fields, and what they've determined is that one of the things that is lacking in young women is an awareness of spatial issues. So each session has a hands-on element to try to get them up to speed in the spatial area. What we have found is that young women perform particularly well when they have a lot of encouragement, and because a lot of mothers weren't exposed to these STEM type fields, and so by getting the women here, also the mothers, they can learn that they can do it too, and they just didn't. The Mother-Daughter Science Camp's been going on now for about 14 years. About 2 years ago, our coordinator stepped down, and so MCOE has been kind enough to step in and help us continue the camp, which is open countywide to any of the 4th and 5th grade girls that want to come from anywhere in the county. Hopefully next year you guys will sign up and come to our Mother-Daughter Science Camp.